Welcome to Yapak ng Salindani Show. Rating on Working for Change in commemoration of Hiroshima and Nagasaki atomic bombings of 1945.
Quite clear day, 78 years ago. 8:15 a.m. as people were on their way to work and school. A sudden flash of unprecedented magnitude, equivalent of 15,000 tons of TNT, instantly took the lives of 100,000 people, those being the lucky ones. The bomb was not only meant to show the Japanese military the folly of fighting on, but more importantly to warn the Soviets of this new mighty weapon the US now contained in its arsenal. One they assumed the Soviets would not be able to match. Just 4 years later, however, the Soviets, like Prometheus, stole this terrible fire from the gods. A few weeks later, the first journalist to Hiroshima, the Australian Wilfred Burchett, described Hiroshima as though a monster steamroller had passed over it and squashed it out of existence, while also describing the deaths which were occurring mysteriously and horribly from an unknown something which I can only describe as the atomic plague. Despite the already known terrible aftermath, the bloodlust of the militarists was still not satisfied, and a second bomb, this time using plutonium, again cutely named Fat Man, was dropped on Nagasaki the 9th of August 1945. Of a different type, with a different terrain, measurements as to its effectiveness were again made. Ironically, Nagasaki was the major Christian center in Japan.
Kalinaw sa tanan, atong pakibisugan. Kalinaw sa tanan, atong pakibisugan. Pag-ibig sa ating bayan, ating pagyamanin. Pag-ibig sa ating bayan, ating pagyamanin. Hustisya'y ipaglaban, kalayaan pandaig. Hustisya'y ipaglaban, kalayaan pandaig. Kalinaw sa tanan, atong pakibisugan. Kalinaw sa tanan, atong pakibisugan. Kalinaw sa tanan, atong pakibisugan. Bilisan kong takbo, lahat mga bombang nakatutok sa ulo ko. Toto'y tumanong ka, lumabas, kailangan ang matamaan pa ng mga balang ligaw. Toto'y mabinig ka, huwag kang magabi, ang amang kamalatan, tumanong yan sa tabi. Toto'y alam mo ba kung ano ang pulot-tulo ng di matapos-tapos na kahuluang ito? Hindi bulat ilaw, tunay na magkalaban, ang kulay at tatak ay di siyang dahilan. Ang nagmarami ang lungkot sa kahirapan, at ang hustisya ay parang sa mayaman. Habang may tagsulok, na sila ang nasa tuktok, di matatapos tulo. Dating luting-luting, ngayon sementeryo, toto'y kumilos ka, malitarin ang tagsulok. At tulad ng lupa, ang ilagay mo sa punto. Hindi tulad ilaw, tunay na magkalaban, ang kulay at tatak ay di siyang dahilan. Ang nagmarami ang lungkot sa kahirapan, at ang hustisya ay parang sa mayaman. Habang may tagsulok, at sila ang nasa bundok, di matatapos tulo. Bali-bali-bali-bali-bali-bali ng tagsulok. Bali-bali-bali-bali-bali-bali ng tagsulok. Bali-bali-bali-bali-bali-bali ng tagsulok. Bali-bali-bali-bali-bali ng tagsulok. Habang may tagsulok, at sila ang nasa tuktok, di matatapos itong gulo. Habang may tagsulok, at sila ang nasa tuktok, di matatapos itong gulo. Habang may tagsulok. Sulok means triangle. This is a Filipino song, quite popular in the Philippines. It depicts the socio-economic structure of the country, wherein only about 1 to 5% belongs to the upper class, who controls the majority of the wealth of the country. 25% belongs to the middle class. 70% belongs to the lower class. It is said to be there are about more than 19 million Filipinos who are still living below the poverty line. This type of socio-economic structure is similar to most of the developing countries in the world. The greed for political and economic power, the greed for world domination by the superpowers, the greed to expand territories both politically and militarily, the wanton destruction of our environment for profit are the root causes of the violence and the wars that we are facing today. So we cannot talk about peace without addressing these issues. But before we become too serious about the show, let me introduce the YAPAC members. Kindly introduce yourself, please.
I'm John. I've come all the way down from Newcastle. I'm going to do a bit of guitar later on, a bit of singing, and just touch percussion.
Hi, I'm Vina. Welcome po, and I'm one of the movers or dancers of the group. I'm from Central Coast.
Hello! Hi! Hello!
Hello! Hello!
Hi!
I'm Kai from performing artist from USA. Unahan sa Australia.
Ako po si Paul, Newcastle percussionista.
I'm Miyong from Central Coast. Isa po akong model.
Model!
Model po ng patis.
At ako naman po, si Jane, ang taga-tubing, kumakanta at treasurer.
Treasurer.
I'm Gigi Del Rosario, founder ng Yapak ng San.
Yes, sir! Founder!
Paano yan?
You're not even in the first meeting, excuse me. Wala ba siya doon?
Work, you know? Okay. I correct it. I'm Gigi Del Rosario, absent founder ng Yapak ng San.
Hindi founder.
Ganun ba rin? Wala kami.
Okay. Let me put this way. My name is Larry. I'm the guitarist and sometimes singer as well. Depends on whether I know the lyrics or not. Anyway, I'm Larry and I am the founder of...
Guess the couple in the group. One
Okay. Para walang away po, lahat po kami ay founder ng Yapak ng Sinilay. I am Jerry Miklat nga pala. So we are the Yapak ng Salinlahi. We are, that means to say, footprints of our generation. We are a group of cultural artists, songwriters, musicians, visual artists, literary artists, theater performing artists as well. We have a common belief that art is not only for art's sake, but we actually know that art can be a tool for social transformation. on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Mama, take this page off of me. I can't wear it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. I feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knocking, knocking, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door.
Mama, wipe the tears out of my face, 'cause I can't see them anymore. Get me out here to some other place. I feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Oh,
Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. 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 Mama, take this gun off of me. I can't shoot this anymore. Some dark clouds coming down. I feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knocking, knocking, knocking on heaven's door. Knocking, knocking, knocking on heaven's door. I can't you there anymore. I can't you there. I can't you there anymore. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knocking, knocking, knocking on heaven's door. Oh, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. 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 Knocking, knocking, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door.
This song I'm about to do now is one I wrote a fair while ago. It's become new relevance. It's called Collateral Damage, and we're getting enough collateral damage in the world today, wars, particularly in what we're seeing in Gaza, although sometimes I think that's more intentional than collateral. There was a man I got dedicated to several years ago, a decade ago now. I think he released a film clip called Collateral Murder, and showed in Baghdad, I think it was, in the US, helicopter just shooting down people and laughing about it and making fun of it. That man, of course, was Julian Assange. He paid a price for that, about 12 years. I hope I don't pay that sort of price for this. And the man in uniform blandly sings, sad as it is, it's a fact of war, collateral damage. Sweet child playing, sweet child laying, crying, dying, victim of madness and chance, now gone. The morning was quiet, there was naught in the air to dull the afternoon despair, when the silence was cracked by a thunderous roar, a shrapnel fire of phosphoric rain. Some around filled with agonized screams of desperate searching and frantic athletes. Hope against hope, extinguished dreams, anger and rage mingled with vengeance demand. And the men in uniform blandly sing, always blandly sing, sad as it is, it's a fact of war, collateral damage. Sweet child playing, sweet child laying, crying, dying, victim of madness and chance, now gone. I don't know you, but I want you all the more for that. Words fall through me and always fool me, and I can't forget. And games that never amount to more than they meant will play themselves out. Take this sinking boat and point it home. We've still got time. Raise your hope.
you have suffered enough and warred with yourself, it's time that you walk.
Take this seed, people, and pour it on. We've still got time. Raise your hopeful voice. You have a choice. You make it now. Falling slowly, sing your melody. I'll sing it loud. Take your Now you're gone. Nais kong lumipad tulad ng agila at lumutang-lutang sa hangin, magkaroon ng pugad sa puso ng kabubatan. Ngunit ito'y panaginip na at maaaring di matupad.
Pagkat ang kagubatan ay unti-unting nawawala, mga puno nito'y nangingibang bayan. Kapag walang puno, wala na ring mapupugaran. Kapag ang akin ay walang bugas, wala na siyang dahilan lumipad. O hari ko tunay, nais ko tumulong.
sa langit, pagkat ang mga agila itong ating bayan, ang iba'y naghihap na, ang natitira'y bihirang mapakita. Tiniklop na nilang kanilang mga tapa, hinubad na nilang kanilang mga bumahe, at sila'y nasipagtago sa natitirang lupa. Ang lahi ba nila'y tuluyan ng nawawala. O Haring Ibon, Haring kong tunay, nais kong tumulong, ng kaharian mo'y muling mabuhay. O Haring Ibon, Haring kong tunay, nais kong tumulong, ng kaharian mo'y muling mabuhay. O Haring Ibon, Haring kong tunay, nais kong tumulong, ng kaharian mo'y muling mabuhay. Maraming salamat po. Payapa, tilang tahimik, panatag, tilang kalmante, bawat umaga. May pag-asa, pagkain, pag nagugutom, may lupa na mabubungkal at pagtatamnan ng mga pangarap. Ito ang mahalaga. Ito ang mahalaga. Tahanan, hindi pamilya na nagkakaisa magkakasama sa hirap at ginhawa. Trabaho na sigurado sa kana, ngunit di labis-labis sapat ang kita sa araw-araw. Ito ang mahalaga. Ito ang mahalaga. Tunay na pagmamahal, tapos ang pag-ibigay, pinahihintay ng kapalit. Isa ang salita, tapat sa pangako. Ito ang mahalaga, ito ang totoo. Tahanan, hindi lang bahay, pamilya na nagkakaisa magkakasama sa hirap at ginhawa. Trabaho na sigurado, may lupa na mabubungkal at pagtatamnan ng mga pangako. Ito ang mahalaga. Ito ang mahalaga.
Bawat likha sa sangmaliwanag
may karapatan, huminga ng malaya,
malayang kaisipan, malayang damdamin, biyayang ibinigay ng bathala. Magmula noon, unang kaarawan, tayo'y isinilang kakambal ay kalayaan, malayang kaisipan, malayang damdamin, biyayang ibigay ng bathala. Singlayan ang ihip ng hangin, singlayan ang agila sa ipapawid, singlayan ang agos ng batis, singlayan ang igat sa karagatan, singlayan ang pintig ng puso, singlayan ang pagdaloy ng dugo sa kaugatan. Buhay may saysay sa sang maliwanag kung may kasarinlan at kalayaan. Malayang kaisipan, malayang damdamin, biyayang ibinigay ng pag-ala. Singlayan ang ihip ng hangin, singlayan ang agila sa himpapawid, singlayan ang agos ng batis, singlayan ang ikat sa karagatan, singlayan ang pintig ng puso, singlayan ang pagdaloy ng dugo sa kaugatan.
Ang buhay ay may saysay sa sang maliwanag kung may kasalinlan at kalayaan. Malayang kaisipan,
Malayang damdamin, biyayang ibinigay ng pag-ala. All my life I've been praying for the people to say that we don't want to fight no more, no more war. One day, one day, one day these all will change, and before this day, stop with the violence, stop with the hate. One day we'll all be free and proud to be under the same sun, singing songs of freedom. Why yo yo, why yo oh 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 oh, why yo why yo why yo oh 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 oh. All my life I've been praying for the people to say that we don't want to fight no more.
In 1937, less than a decade prior to the atomic bombings, the artist Pablo Picasso, shocked that anyone, even with the moral debauchery of Nazi Germany, would bomb a civilian target, had painted on giant canvas his Guernica as protest against such barbarism. From Picasso's Guernica, how rapid was the moral collapse into depravity. London, Liverpool, Hamburg, Dresden, and Tokyo soon followed. Then Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Picasso, no matter how large his canvas and immense his skill, could never hope to capture such scale. As we again remember Hiroshima, have we determined to turn away from war, including the worst type involving nuclear weaponry? No. Instead, we have turned to a nuclear arms race. The contagion has spread as more nations so arm themselves, while the explosive capacities have increased from atomic to ever larger hydrogen bombs. Many of them have been tested in our part of the world, in the ironically named Pacific Ocean, some even on our own shores. Despite all the never again speeches, we are actively planning the reoccurrence of nuclear destruction. Treaties which lessen the threat of nuclear war are being torn up. The United States unilaterally decided to abandon the Intermediate Range Nuclear Forces Treaty. In response, Russia followed. Responding, the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres has warned that an invaluable break on nuclear war has been lost. The Strategic Arms Reduction or START Treaty signed by the US and Russia has not been renewed. The result of all this? The bulletin of the atomic scientists have moved the doomsday clock closer to the apocalypse than it has ever been. Just 90 seconds from the dreadful midnight end. Our land, Australia, has become ever more heavily militarised, with increased foreign military bases and troops, making us part of the sabre-rattling of our close ally, the United States, in its attempt to strangle a rising China. The South China Sea has become a powder keg, with cat and mouse games being played, with nuclear escalation a real possibility if conflict breaks out. And that can happen by simple miscalculation or mistake. The United Nations Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons has been signed by 93 nations. The current Australian government, when in opposition, promised to sign it when it came to power, but has not yet done so. As the songwriter Pete Seeger asked in one of his many great anti-war songs, when will we ever learn? Will we ever learn? We need to commit ourselves to be proponents of peace and non-violence, to extricate ourselves from escalatory military agreements like AUKUS, remove foreign military bases from our shore, agitate for an Australian military that is purely defensive, and last, urge our government to fulfil the promise they made to sign the treaty on the prohibition of nuclear weapons.
Yata po ay naghahanap ng mga gusto mag-artista at gusto maging musician, songwriter. Lista niyo lang po ang pangalan ninyo, pati ang contact number at saka email address para sakali, pagawa tayo ng Performing Arts Theater Workshop.
Mga bandang November o December po. Okay? Maraming salamat po. Gandang hapon po sa inyo na.
Ang bata may dalang isang laruang lata, hila-hila sa kalsadang makipot at sirana. Butas ang damit, marumi ang ayos niya. Siya ang bagong Pilipino.
Ang bata may muta, tinunaw na ng kanyang luha, panis na lang.